MV Agusta Euro 5 models feature a GPS module which, used in combination with the MV Ride app, lets you record the routes you travel. But it won't stop at simply recording the GPS track. It will also keep memory of many other interesting parameters such as gear, speed, lean angle, and throttle values. And you can access all this data really easily. Once downloaded, the data about the trip you have just recorded is immediately available on the app. All you need to do is select the trip you're interested in. You can instantly visualize the route, the general stats, speeds, analysis, lean angle, and throttle data all nicely presented in a dashboard-style layout. You'll also be able to visualize pictures of your trips by clicking on the map or by opening the photo albums associated to the specific trips. Just make sure you allow MV Ride app to access your phone's photo gallery. It is important that geolocalization of photos is allowed in your smartphone settings. Thanks to MV Ride, you have access to all your trip's data at any time to relive a memorable journey or review and improve your riding style. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ride.